So you've created your template, and now you want to give access to that template to other people so they can make variation of that design. Let's say, for example, you're an agency and you want to give access to your customers so they can make, some tests or just generate by themselves those variations without bothering your design team. Or even in your own company, you can give it access to the sales department, the marketing team, the HR team, so they can make banners for their social media posts, their advertising banners, or anything that you've created on the builder. This is why we created Abyssale Form. And now I'm going to show you how you can set it up. So here I have, created beforehand a template. In this template, I have multiple formats, like 3 this time. And in this form, I've allowed the possibility to update the background color. So here, for example, I could change it to a nice purple. Or I can also change that promotion text that you can see here in the middle. So let's say I want to put another variation, but with this time with 30% off. And I can change also this background image. And it's going to change it across all the format at the same time. So here I'm going to select another picture. And we have already made some integration to external assets. So here Unsplash, Pexel, Pixabay. And if you have a Shutterstock account, you can also link it to your Abyssale settings. So here I'm going to select that picture. And when I'm ready, I just hit generate. And now it's going to generate those variations. Just wait a couple of seconds later. You're going to be able to also download those variations. Basically, this is how it looks like. For anyone that will have that link, just a side note, you can always get that link here on the button share at the top right corner. Now, I'm going to show you how you can set it up. We're back into the My Template list. I'm going to select a template and then create a form out of it. Here, if you scroll down a little bit, you have your generation methods and you can find the form. So let's create a new one. You can select the layers that you want to give access to. So, the people that are going to use that form are going to be able to update only those layers and not everything out of it. If you want to select everything, well, you can do it. But here I'm just going to select that text promotion, this text 50% off here that is not correctly named, but that's another issue here. And I'm going to also select that background image and maybe that call to action when it's available, depending on the format that you've created into the builder. And now I'm just going to create that form and it's going to redirect me to our form dashboard. So here, basically, you have that URL that you can share and you're going to be able to see everything that is going to be generated out of that link directly from this space. You can always click on Open Form, and as you can see, we have that form with the format that we've enabled, with the text and the layers that we've enabled as well, and you can make those generations. So here I'm not going to change anything, just click on Generate, it's going to generate our banners, and if I go back into my dashboard, as you can see, in a couple of seconds, we're seeing it's live. If I refresh it quickly, I'm seeing that we have already 3 generations, and this what has been generated on that form. The cool aspect of this feature is that you don't need an Abyssale account. If you have the link, you can have access to it. Now, just jump on the platform and create your first form.